Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome, beautiful people. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create and maintain the wet look on your curly units even after it is completely dry. So I'm going to show you guys my technique and the products that I use to get your hair to maintain that wet glossy look. Now the hair that we'll be using today is from nadulatb, so the direct link to this unit will be in the description box down below. So the hair straight out of the package, I'm going to show you guys how it's looking. I got this unit in a 28-inch and it is a lace closure type of unit, so it's a 5x5 lace frontal, and also the hair came pre-plucked and all of that. However, the knots were a little bit too dark for my liking, so I end up bleaching the knots. I have videos on how I bleach my knots, so you want to check that out. So I did get some shedding with this unit straight out of the package, so I did end up co-washing the hair to make sure that I get all like the loose hair out of it. And so this is how the hair is looking after I wash it. So the first thing to create the wet look I like to use is mousse, and this is a 3-in-1 conditioning mousse that I got at my local beauty supply store. So you can like check online or check your local beauty supply store if they have it. It's called the 3-in-1 conditioning mousse, or you could just like screenshot the bottle, or if I could find the link, I'll put it in the description box. So the first thing you want to do is mold the parting. You want to make sure that the parting is how you want it, because when the hair is dry, this is how it's gonna stay. You don't want it to move unless you're gonna get frizz and all of that. So make sure that you get the parting that you want. So I mold the parting first, and then I'm going to take the mousse and apply it all over the hair, and then use a wide teeth comb to comb the hair out. So I'm making sure that the comb goes straight through the hair. This will help to define the curls and also get them popping. Okay, so first apply the mousse. So you want to do this on wet hair. As I said, I did this straight after co-washing the hair. Now co-wash means you just use conditioner to wash the hair, and it helps to maintain the moisture and softness of the hair. So applying the mousse all over, then taking the wide teeth comb to comb it straight through, make sure I don't have any knots, and also to help the hair to be even more defined with its natural curl pattern. Now I'm going to take this Pump It Up spritz that I also got at my local beauty supply store. You can find this at Amazon. Now when you spray that Pump It Up spritz onto a hair, girl, it is going nowhere. It's staying in place. And also this will help with flyaways, maintaining shine for the parting, and also to mold the hair to how you need it to stay. Now to really get that wet look to stay, I'm using this African Pride oil sheen all over the hair. So you want to go in with the spray sheen on the hair. Now this is what holds and maintains that wet look from root rather to tip. From root to tip, your curls are staying in place. Now it is time to install this unit. Now this is actually the easiest part of this whole thing. Like, this is a HD Swiss lace, so you can literally wear this lace without gluing it down. So I'm gonna do, even though it's pre-plucked, I'm trying to get some loose, not loose hairs, but like a couple of strand of hairs that are in the parting, just to get it a little bit wider. So I just pluck it just a little bit, and that is basically it. I'm going to take this cutting scissors to cut off the excess lace. And guys, I haven't glued down the wig. You also want to make sure that you get the correct fitting wig. So the measurement is on the website, and it will also show you how to measure the circumference of your head to help you pick the correct size unit. So I usually go for a medium size cap, and this is how it is looking. Now this is what they mean by a glueless lace. Like, without gluing it down, the lace lay effortlessly and like correctly against your skin. Now I'm using a little bit of got2b freezing spray, because even though I could wear glueless, I still like to have that melted look, and also the security. I love the security of my wigs, like that light security. You don't have to use Ghost Bond or anything strong, but I like the GWAN to be freezing spray, and then I go in with a little bit of pump it up on my fingertip just to put it on the lace as well, and this will help it to stay down and also to give that effortless melt into my skin type of look. Now we are moving on to the soup to the doop. Now this is optional. You guys know, if you're regulars here, I like me some little bit of adult hairs, okay? Because we're not gonna call them baby hairs. And I just do a little bit of soup to the doop action, and that is basically it. So just do that. You don't even have to do that, but I like how it looks. And then I'm gonna tie it down with this molding wrap that I also got at my beauty supply store, or you could get it at Amazon as well. So this is how my wig is looking after I completed my makeup. Like, guys, look at how that HD Swiss lace is looking. Now I am going to be using a little bit of LA Girl Pro concealer to help the parting look a little bit more scalp like. Just a little bit. Do not go crazy on the scalp, okay? Or rather on the lace with the concealer. Like, do not do that. Don't go crazy. Like, you only need a little bit, and that is it. Now guys, this is how the hair is looking. Guys, I literally left this hair to dry overnight, and I didn't have to do anything at all. No extra oil sheen, no extra water. Like, this is the hair fully dry. It is bouncy, it feels soft, it feels amazing. It's gonna have a little bit of crunch to it at first, but once I play around with it, it feels soft and it's just effortless. So what you want with this hair is that wet look. You want the hair to give the illusion that it is wet, because usually when you do like the wet look with the hair just being like straight out of like washing, after a while it looks frizzy and big. But with this technique, it stays in that wet, fresh look. So yeah, all the details will be down in my description box down below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. And that is all for this video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me